Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the Bluetooth headset camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so this is it. Let's take it out. Now what appears to be an ordinary looking Bluetooth headset is actually a camera. Right here is the lens. Now this is actually not a functional Bluetooth headset, it just looks like a Bluetooth headset and its function is to be a camera. So let's see what else is in the box. Here's a charger and connector cable. This is the earpiece to mount it. Another earpiece. And here's a spare earplug. And here's the manual. Let's take a look at the manual. It's in English. This one was Chinese. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to charge the camera. So use the charger cable to plug the camera into the computer. Right over here is a light. Now you're going to see this light flashing red. Now when the light stops flashing red and there's a steady red light, that means the camera is charged. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to install a memory card. Just insert the memory card in like so. And when it clicks in, it means it's properly installed. And there you go, that's how to install the memory card. Okay, now to power the camera on, press and hold down the start button for about 2 seconds. Now the camera just vibrated once. As you just saw, the red light went on and it flashed once, and the camera is now in video recording standby mode. Now to record video, press the start button. The camera just vibrated 3 times and flashed 3 times. The light went off and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the start button. The camera just vibrated once. The red light powered on. The video I stopped recording is saved as an AVI file and the camera is now back in video standby mode. Okay, now to take a photo, press the mode button. Now as you just saw, the red light flashed once and the camera is now in photo standby mode. To take a photo, press the start button. As you just heard, the camera vibrated and the red light flashed 3 times. You just took a photo. To take another photo, press the start button again. The camera vibrated once and the red light flashed 3 times. You just took another photo. To take another photo, press the start button again. The camera vibrated once, the red light flashed 3 times. You just take another photo, and so on and so forth. Now to record audio only, press the mode button 2 times. Now as you just saw, the red light is off and now you have a steady blue light. And the camera is now in audio standby mode. To record audio, press the start button. As you just heard, the camera vibrated 3 times and the blue light flashed 3 times and went off, and the camera is now recording audio. To stop recording audio, press the start button. As you just heard, the camera vibrated once, the blue light is on and steady, the audio file is saved as a WAV file, and the camera is now back in audio recording standby mode. Now to record video with motion detection, while the camera is in video recording standby mode, press the mode button 3 times. Now as you can see, the light is a purplish color and the steady, and the camera is now in motion detection recording standby mode. To start recording with motion detection, press the start button. Now as you just heard, the camera vibrated 3 times the light flash 3 times, and the camera is now recording video with motion detection. To stop recording video with motion detection, press the start button. The camera has stopped recording in motion detection, and the light is steady, and the camera is now back in motion detection standby mode. To power the camera off, press and hold down the start button for about 2 seconds. And the camera is now powered off. Okay, now to use the camera as a webcam, plug the camera into the computer, and after the computer detects the camera, press the start button, and after you press the start button, the camera is ready to be used as a webcam. Now, if you have problems with the camera and you need to reset it, press and hold down the mode button and the start button at the same time for about 3 seconds, and let it go, and that will reset the camera. Okay, I'm going to be going over some of the features of the camera. Now, right here is the start button. This is the mode button. Right here is the lens. And this is the microphone. Right here is the charger port and the port to connect the camera to the computer, the indicator light, and the memory card slot. Now this is important. Make sure that the camera is pointed exactly as I'm showing you when you record footage. It has to be on this side, which means it has to be on the right ear. Because if you put it this way, the video footage is going to be upside down. So it has to be pointed just like this. Here's the lens pointed this way, and the camera faces this way. The footage is recorded right side up and properly. So this would clip on like so. This would go around the top of the ear, and the plug goes in the ear. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the Bluetooth headset camera. Currently taking some footage to hear how the audio turns out and to see how the video turns out. So here we go. Okay, it is a cloudy day today, so let's see how it performs. And I'm going to be doing some indoor footage as well, so let's see how that all works out. Currently taking footage right now. Okay, so there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the Bluetooth headset camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.